Follow the instructions in this video to redeem your bonus on Binance, which includes 100 USDT and a 20% lifetime discount on trading fees. Are you new to the dynamic world of crypto trading? Binance can kickstart your journey with a generous $100 bonus plus 20% on trading fees. Binance, a trusted global cryptocurrency exchange, is offering this bonus to first-time users. It's their way to welcome you into the crypto community. To claim this hefty bonus, all you need to do is register a new account on Binance. But don't forget to enter the essential referral code. Entering the referral code is a breeze. Just paste it into the designated field during the sign-up process, and you're all set. A special welcome offer as a thank you for choosing Binance. After signing up, new users must complete their tasks within 7 days to qualify for our welcome offer rewards. Please note you must be referred by an affiliate registered with this campaign to qualify for the sign-up bonus. $5 Cash Voucher. Ever wondered what the best P2P crypto exchanges are? The first part of the up to $100 Binance bonus is $5 in cash, which is credited to your balance when you make a first-time deposit of $50 or more, using either the fiat payment methods or by making a P2P peer-to-peer. Purchase in the Binance P2P marketplace to buy crypto. Click on your account icon in Reward Center from the drop-down menu after logging into your account to find and redeem your $5 voucher. $50 Spot Cashback Voucher. The second part of the Binance referral bonus is a $50 cashback voucher awarded when you make a first-time deposit of $50 or more using crypto. For example, depositing BTC or UST that you already have on another exchange or in a crypto wallet. $45 Spot Cashback Voucher. The third part of the welcome bonus promotion is earned when you make a first-time crypto trade of $50 or more in spot trading. For example, trading $50 of UST to BTC or vice versa, or trading $50 of ETH. Binance referral bonus terms and conditions. New users must also complete their tasks within 7 days to receive all 3 welcome offer bonuses, the $5, $50, and $45 vouchers, which add up to $100. Cashback vouchers can be used towards trading fees, so they work as a way to get a discount on Binance fees. In addition to the $100 Binance referral bonus, new Binance sign-ups using an affiliate link receive a 20% discount on trading fees for life. This lifetime trading fee discount can quickly add up to being more valuable than the $100 Binance referral bonus if you are day trading often, placing many buy and sell limit orders and market orders, or investing large amounts into cryptocurrency. Its value is up to $100 or the equivalent in your currency. Users can open accounts in USD, Euro, GBP, and a range of other fiat currencies as Binance Exchange accepts sign-ups from countries across the world. Find your Binance welcome bonus in the description of this video.